everyone, class 58. This is teacher Jennifer, and today is Tuesday, and then here's messy. Okay, it's June 1st. We are going to do our review, our 456, and then we're going to do Unit 7. Okay. All right. So everybody get ready to get your books out. All right. I hope everybody is doing great today. And Stacy, you need to have your sister give you quiz. 好，大家如果有跟姐姐、兄弟姐妹都在家里的话，级数都比你高。例如 Winnie 可以请姐姐，还有 Stacy、Harvey、Ian、Ethan。Ian can get Ethan to help you out. Ray 就比较难了。So maybe your mother can give you a quiz. 然后请大家把1到6课的 quiz 都要稍微复习一下。Alright, so we going to do lesson 7, unit 7 first. So get your books ready. Okay. I think I want to get my computer up a little. Okay. What do you think? Is that better? Okay. So let's do the smaller screen. I put my screen here, and then lesson 7, that's buy presents. Buy presents. Buy presents for what? Number 1, for birthday, for party. Okay, so number 1, chocolate. Chocolate. Number 2, candy. Candy. Number 3, balloon. Balloon. Number 4, present. Present. And number 5, cake. Cake. Number 6, card. Card. Okay. So this is things that you can buy for your birthday or your birthday party or just a party. Okay. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Is your birthday coming? My birthday was in April, 4月. When is your birthday? This is June. Is your birthday in June? Okay. I don't know how many of you 几个人的 birthday is in June. Okay. If your birthday is in June, I'm gonna say happy birthday to you. Okay. Now let's look at our lesson for the first part. Okay, whose birthday is it? So it's Billy's birthday. When is it? It's tomorrow. Okay, so mom is going to buy presents. But what does Billy like? Okay, picture number 1. Read it for me. What does Billy like? He likes trains and cars. Trains and cars. So we had 2 boys in our class. Ian and Ray, I think they like trains and cars. I will guess they like trains and cars too. Okay. So, picture number 2. I like these balloons. So mommy said, no, Billy doesn't like balloons. He is scared of balloons. So 各位，我们要学 he scared of 怕什么 So are you scared of dogs? Are you scared of Okay, are you scared of So you're scared of dogs or cats? Teacher Jennifer, scared of rats. You know rats, right? 老鼠，野老鼠。Okay, 学起来。Scared of. Alright. So Billy doesn't like balloons because he is scared of balloons. but he likes candy. Okay, so Billy likes many things. He likes trains, cars, and candy. So they buy things for Billy. So they decide to go home for the party. Okay, picture number 4. Billy is asleep now. 睡着了，睡着了，不是真，就是睡着了就是整个都睡着了，不是正在睡觉。He is asleep now. Put his present here. Well, good idea, Mom. Okay, so they're gonna put there when Billy wakes up and he can see the present. Okay, number 5. Mom, Dad, someone's in the living room. So I guess it is at night. What time is it? In the morning. So look at the picture number 6. Oh, look, the clock says it's 5 o'clock. All right, so, oh, Billy, it's 5 o'clock. Well, thank you for my presents. I'm 3 now. Okay, so Billy is 3 years old. Billy is 3 years old. And how old are you? 电脑差点跌倒. Okay, so how old are you? Are you 10 years old? Are you 7 years old? No, I think most of the students in our class is like 9 or 10 or 11. Okay, you're very old. Okay, I want to look at my time. We still have 8. Okay. So what do you 这一课的文法是要学 What do you like? What do you like? OK， 我做了一个笔记，比如说 What do you like? What do you like doing? 它这里没有前一个是去做什么，对不对 ？I like playing soccer. I like playing soccer. I like doing my homework. 记得吗？Sports day. OK，so 这里是很简单，这里变成只要说 What do you like? What do you like? 所以一样，因为这里是 like 去做这个事，所以 teacher 叫你们要加 ing。那这里我们只有加一个东西，比如说 I like candy。OK，I don't like candy. I like chocolate. I don't like cake, but I like sandwiches. I don't like pineapple, 凤梨 pineapples, but I like apples and bananas. Apples and bananas are my favorite. Okay. Now we're going back to our lesson. So what do you like? I like this. I don't like this. Teacher just say it. OK， 好，一样，我们要复习。So let me make a big screen. OK， 我们要复习的是 he。我们要 he doesn't like。OK， 这是我们今天的重点。Doesn't like blah blah blah. So Billy likes candy. He doesn't like what? Balloons. OK， 所以一个单数，一个复数，各位。Alright, so 我们来看一下课文。I like candy. I don't like balloons. OK. Now number 3. I like candy. 所以你要改成 He likes candy. I don't like balloons. He doesn't like balloons. 所以这个我们学过很多遍了。Alright. 所以你今天回家有空问问你的兄弟姐妹 or your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, and you ask them, Hey, what do you like? 然后你告诉 teacher， 你可以告诉你写下来 What does he like? What does she like? 这个应该是上面的，那你可以写你自己的 point as an answer。那我的建议是你问一个男生一个女生 ，if the boy will be the he will be your dad and you do that. She you can ask your mother or your sister. Okay. Let's look at my time again. Okay, I don't think I have about I don't know how many minutes I have. Okay, go back here. We're going to do, I didn't do number 3. So I'm gonna start this. 我们要回到我们要来做一个 worksheet。所以这个是我们上次应该要做的 review worksheet。Very much like 我们的 workbook。OK， so 你要来做的是分 you're going to decide which work go to at school, after school or food. OK， 所以这个你应该是没有问题的。All right， 那这个是我要讨论的。Write about your school. So what do you study? I study. What do you do at school? What do you study? You study math. You study English. You study PE. 所以我们是不是有学过很多课程 ？I have English on Monday. I have blah 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 on Tuesday. 这些，那你可以在那个第5课 ，you study art, you study math, and you study music. Okay, so you write it down. Okay, what is your favorite class? What is your favorite class? 我教低年级的，他都会先跟我讲I like music, I like art, I like PE。然后我教到等他变很老的时候，大一点的时候，my student will say I like English， 因为他们的英文在学校都很好，都很简单 ，so they love it。OK， 他们会觉得很轻松。So what is your favorite class? What is your favorite class? 那你就写 my favorite class， 不要写 I 哦 ，OK？What can you do in the class？ 那你如果是 art class， 你就要写 art class you draw，right？ 看一下我的电子版。So if it's an art class, what do? You draw and you paint. And if in the PE class, class, 你可以做很多事情啊。You can play sports, 还有呢 ，you can run, you swim sometime. 学校有时候有教 music plays. I know you sing and you play the 这个的一定要加，因为它是乐器。你们不是都有学 flute，OK？And English class， 如果你喜欢 English class，you learn words how to how to write and speak，OK？So 这些是你可以写在你的答案上面的。All right， 再来 ，What classes don't you like? OK，So 我讲我自己好了。像小时候我最不喜欢的就是 math。I don't like math. You know why? Because it's too difficult for me. It's very difficult， 或者是你也可以说 boring，OK？ 小时候是这么觉得啦，现在没有后悔，当然。OK，so OK， 我想我这个时间也快到了，所以我们这个 review 我们等一下再回来。So I'm gonna make second videos. OK，goodbye。